Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio, Indore. So let's begin. The material which I am using are the iCraft chalk paints. The first color is the Dark Secret, Sunny Yellow, Cream Pie, Thai Teal, Grape Vineyard, Strawberry Crush, a 4x4 stencil, and one color we have missed, that is the Mystic Shadow. So I am taking a plain MDF base, it's a nameplate base, and I am covering the whole surface with the help of Mystic Shadow. Once you are done covering it, you need to take the Strawberry Crush chalk paint, apply strokes on the base and just blend with the help of normal water. Make sure that you cover the entire surface with the highlights of Strawberry Crush. Now we are going to take a MDF chippy, it's a chippy of unicorn. So I am first taking the cream pie color and covering the whole body of unicorn with the white color. Make sure that you cover the entire body area with the help of this color. You can see that I am filling the ear area, all the areas near the hair, everything with this cream pie. Now once we are done with this, we are going to take the Thai teal color and I am going to paint few of the hairs with this color. Now you can plan that on which hair portion you need to do whichever color of your choice, you can go ahead with it. Taking the pink color, the Strawberry Crush shade, and I am just filling other hairs with the help of it. Now after pink comes my yellow color. I will be covering the top horn with the yellow color also. Now after I am done with the yellow color, I am going to take another shade, that is the purple shade, the Grape Vineyard colors. So I have chosen the colors which are close to unicorn. You can use whatever you have with yourself. Now taking half area with the purple color and half with the yellow color to give some shading to the hairs. Now we will be covering the front area of the face with the cream pie color again. Now I am recoating all the areas where I have used the chalk paints to make my unicorn look more brighter. As you can see, I am recoating every part of the body which we have painted. Make sure that you apply 2 coats to it. Now I am using a black permanent marker. It's a fine marker. You can get at any stationery shop, and I am grooving all the lines which were there on the MDF piece with the help of this marker. You can see that the unicorn has started looking much more beautiful after the outlining part. So make sure that you outline all the areas, all the lines which were there on the MDF piece. Now I am making some strokes to make it look more realistic. Now take a simple glue and just glue the MDF piece on the board which we painted earlier. Now I will be taking a little quantity of the Strawberry Crush chalk paint. I'll mark a little outline and I'll just blend that color with the help of water. This will enhance the beauty of your unicorn. Take a tissue paper and damp the excess water. Now I am taking a 4x4 star shaped stencil. This stencil is from the iCraft. Now taking the white color, with the help of stencil brush, I am just doing some random stenciling on the base. Make sure that you take a very little amount of color to get perfect stenciling. Place the stencil wherever you want and just apply color, and your pattern is ready. So you can see that it is done. Now I am just taking color in my brush and I have split it. Now taking a Good Vibes MDF, I had this in my stash. You can put your personalized names or anything. I am just taking the black color and painting on the MDF what I had. Now again with the help of glue, I am just going to stick this. Now this is a piece of twine. I am just fixing it on the holes and I'll tie a knot so that it gets easy for the nameplate to hang. And you can see it's ready. I hope you loved our session. For more such videos, do subscribe our channel. Do not forget to like and comment. Thank you.